What's up? What's up? What's up, you guys? What's up? It's your SkinnyBoyRandy. Hey, you guys, how you doing? What's up? I love you guys. Thank you so much for being here. Mwah! I love you guys. Thank you so much. You are absolutely amazing. You are the best YouTube group in the world. Thank you so much for being here. How you doing today? Hi, welcome to Gardening with SkinnyBoyRandy. If you're new to my channel, click the like and subscribe button, you guys. Yeah, leave a thumbs up, thumbs down, just not the two middle fingers. Okay, I love you guys. You're the best. Hope you're having a great, growing, blessed, and prosperous day. Also, you guys, leave a comment, share the video with all your social media. I greatly appreciate it. And click that bell. You'll get a notification every time I make a video, which you know can be at the drop of a hat. Okay, how you guys doing? I love you guys. It's a beautiful morning out here. It's a little chilly, so that's why I put on my sweatshirt and my jacket. Also, if you've never been over to my Facebook group, Gardening with SkinnyBoyRandy, head on over there, you guys. Head on over there and join it. Gardening with SkinnyBoyRandy, beginners and experts are welcome. Also, check me out on Instagram and Twitter. I love you guys. Thank you so much for being here. How you doing? How you doing today? If nobody told you they love you today, I love you. Okay? Thank you so much for being here. You are the best. Today is the last day of October, you guys. Yes, I cannot believe we have made it all the way to November. Yeah, this is the last day. And you guys have been right here with me from the beginning till right now, and I greatly appreciate it. I mean that from the bottom of my heart. Thank y'all so much for being here. Okay, welcome to Gardening with SkinnyBoyRandy. Let's get this video started. Today we're going to talk about what I'm still planting and what you should still be planting and what hopefully you already have in the ground that's still growing for November. Okay, you guys, we ain't going to stop growing. We're going to keep growing all year long, 365 days, because we ain't got no money to be going back and forth to the grocery store. We ain't got no money, especially when it's snow. We want some food stored up. Okay, I love you guys. So first of all, you guys, the first thing I want to tell you, well, tonight, time goes backwards. Yep. You get an extra hour of sleep. Yeah, time goes back. You know, it's spring forward and fall backwards. So we're in fall and we're going backwards. So time goes back tonight. You guys don't forget. Today is Saturday, October the 31st. And also check your weather, you guys. Don't just check your weather, your local weather. Go to weather.com or any weather app that you use and check your weather for like 10 days in advance or however far they go. Check your weather, you guys, because, you know, they said, first frost would be tonight, or according to different resources, but it's not happening. So always check your weather, see where you stand, because sometimes 10 days can mean a lot in germination. You can have a lot of things planted within those 10 days, and then if you need to move them inside, you can do that. Or if you have a greenhouse, you can do that as well. So just a tip, check your weather. But here are some things that you can grow right now that I'm growing right now that's still coming up. We have our mustard greens in the ground, you guys. I hope you planted you some greens. These are some of the easiest things to grow. Your mustard greens, they're kind of frost hardy. They can take a licking and keep on taking. Okay, so plant stuff that's frost hardy. Always read your seed packets. So make sure you got your mustard greens in the ground. Make sure you have spinach in the ground. I'm not going to count them 1, 2, 3, so you can count them. And then we're going to do the chard. You know, we have chard in the ground. And I'm going to take you around and show you some of these things that I've already started. And some things I'm just starting. Like a lot of my herbs, I'm just getting started. So let me just run down a list for you. Instead of using the seeds, I'm going to run down the list. Peas. Okay? Get you some peas in the ground. I have some peas over there, and they've started to make their little pods, so I'm really proud about that. So peas, onions, I just started some onions. You probably watched me do that the other day. Get you some onions in the ground, you guys. Garlic, start you some garlic bulbs. Get you some garlic bulbs and start them in the ground, you guys, or in a container, however you want to do it. I'm going to make a garlic video just, on that subject, because I don't think I've ever made a garlic video. So I'm going to make a garlic video in the next day or two. Also, flowers like tulips and things that come in bulb form, get those in the ground in November. I like to plant mine about 4 to 6 inches deep. That way they'll get that incubation period, and in the springtime those babies come up so beautiful. If you go back to some of my original videos, you'll see a lot of my tulips. I love growing tulips. Also, make sure you got all kinds of greens in the ground. Mustard, turnip, collard, cabbage, choy, lettuce, anything green, you guys. A lot of the green things can take the frost. You want to do your broccoli, your cauliflowers. We have that coming up over there. What else? I did some celery, some parsley, basil, dill, oregano, mint. Yeah, you guys. I even have carrots coming up. Yeah, my carrots have some of their true leaves going. So let's just take a quick tour. And instead of talking about it, let's just be about it. Let me show you what's going on out here on SkinnyBoy Farms. Thank you guys so much for being here. As you can see, our eggplants are still producing. Eggplants still coming. coming like crazy actually, all over the place. And these are from our summer garden. So yes, you guys, some of our summer garden is still coming. These turnips and mustard greens, they just keep coming back. I've cut them all the way down. Look, here are the beans. See, some of the beans we planted. They're just starting to form their pods. Yeah, you guys. And these are lima beans. I have some yellow wax beans. Yeah, all of these are beans and lettuces and collards. They do great in the cold weather, y'all. Our green peppers from the summer still hanging on in there. Look at that. I mean, they've come more than they came in the summertime, you guys. Hope I'm capturing this. Yeah. And then inside the raised bed, we have all of our greens that we've picked all the way down, and they've come back up. That's some cabbage coming in. We have cauliflower, broccoli. Yeah, a whole mixture of things in here, you guys. I wanted to see how the soil was doing, and it did pretty well. So we went on ahead and planted a lot of different varieties in there. And let me show you these carrots. Now, I just dropped my carrot seeds right into one of my buckets with my peppers. And I did this last year, and they came out great. If you go back and look at my carrot video, you'll see. Look how big they're getting. I'll be separating very, very soon. I just dropped some seeds down in my pepper bucket, and they love it. Yep. So yeah, you guys, those are some things that you need to go ahead and get in the ground while you can. It's not too late. Like I said, depending on what zone you're in, like in California, you have a longer growing season. You know, you're not going to get cold. You see, I have a coat on and frost coming out of my mouth because it's starting to get chilly here, y'all. So it's about to get serious. Look at this carrot, just doing her thing. Isn't that beautiful? Yeah. And then our rescue plants, look how big they've gotten. From those little tiny whimpering plants, some of them are getting eaten. I'm gonna have to take care of that. I see some pests eating. Yeah, we're gonna take care of that. But yeah, you guys, it's not too late to keep gardening, keep growing. You know, never stop gardening. No matter where you are, where you're from, you can plant a seed and just wait for it to grow. Grow some things in your windowsill, like a lot of your herbs, you can grow right in the windowsill in a cup with a little hole at the bottom. It doesn't take much, you guys. Just get out and do it, okay? Okay, that's all. So I love you. Thank you so much for being here. It's the last day of October, you guys, so I couldn't let this day go by without making this video for you. Now I have to get back to work because I'm on a lunch break and I'm headed back to work. Okay, I love you guys. Thank you so much for being here. Remember, click like and subscribe. Leave a thumbs up, thumbs down, just not the two middle fingers. Okay. Head over to the Facebook group. Let them know I sent you over here. Keep your eyes and ears open for the gardening retreat. If you haven't gotten your email, send it to SkinnyBoyRandyGo@gmail.com. SkinnyBoyRandyGo@gmail.com. If you want to go on the garden retreat next year, it's going to be amazing, you guys. Thank you so much for being here. Remember, live, love, laugh, you guys. Grow something, eat it. You're the best.